Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a beautiful lamb and rosemary sausage, caramelized onion, double chocolate stout gravy. It's going to be delicious. Come on guys, let's get cooking. Now let's go through the ingredients of what you're going to need. I've got my lamb sausages, I've got some rosemary for a garnish, I've got another sprig of rosemary which we're going to cook with the onions. Here I've got half a cup of just red onions and I've just roughly sliced them. So we're going to fry those off gently, cook the sausages, add the rosemary, a touch of olive oil you'll need, salt and pepper. I'm using this beautiful double chocolate stout from Young's and it is absolutely delicious. So we're going to use that in our gravy. A tablespoon of gravy powder and about a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Also going to be using some chicken stock. Over the back I have got 4 small potatoes and 4 small chunks of sweet potato. So there's 8 pieces all up. Soaks in a bit of water. Once it's all nice and mashed, we're going to put a little bit of butter in there and salt and pepper. So the first thing that we've got to do is get these potatoes on to boil. Pop those in there. So my potatoes are in the pressure cooker at the back there and we've got ourselves a pan on a medium-high heat. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in there now, just a touch. Add our sausages and I'm also going to add the onions now because I want to cook these nice and gently, and it's also going to give the sausages a nice little bit of an onion flavour. The whole idea is I want to caramelize these onions right down. So the earlier you get them in, the better off you're going to be. I've got my 1 sprig of rosemary and the other 2 is for garnishing. So all I do with these now is just grab it from the center there and just pull all those off, sprinkle the whole lot in. Same again, just pull it off the stalk. When you get to the top, just going to peel it off like that, in that goes. Now a nice gentle heat, a nice golden brown on these because we're going to put them into the oven as well. These have been cooking now for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to turn them over and I just want to let those cook a little bit more now. So the onions have started to caramelize a little bit now and then they're getting to that stage where I want them. I'm now going to put in the tablespoon of gravy powder. Followed by the half teaspoon of brown sugar. And I just want to cook this out just a little bit. I'm now going to add my double chocolate stout. And we can always adjust later. A little bit of a taste here. Oh, beautiful. Really taste that stout. So this is a 320ml bottle. I'm going to use half of that. So half a bottle of the stout. Then I'm going to add a splash of stock. This is about 100 mils, probably about 50. About half of that. 50 mils of stock. I want to reduce that down now just a little and then we're going to put it into the oven. Okay, so it's reducing down lovely now. I don't want to go too thick with this because then it becomes a little bit claggy, but I do want to give it about another 10 minutes or so in the oven just to finish it off. Now my oven is set to 180 degrees centigrade. We are going to leave this in the oven now for about 10 minutes. Potatoes have been drained. I'm going to put my fairly decent sized tablespoon of butter in there, and I'm just using a whisk. Touch of pepper, a little bit of salt. It is time to serve. Alright guys, it's come out of the oven. It smells absolutely amazing, and if your sauce is a little bit too thick, that's what your extra stock is for. So you can just tip a little bit in to get it to the consistency that you like. So you can see that. So there it is. Beautiful. Honey consistency, perfect caramelized onion. And you put the brown sugar in to counterbalance the bitterness of the stout. But if you like that bitterness, you know, you don't have to put the sugar in, that's fine. Let's get this plated up. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. Sweet potato mash. Soft butter through there, a little bit of salt and pepper, keeping it nice and simple. And some of these sausages are quite large and some are medium size. That's what you get from your butcher because they're all handmade. A little bit of a taste test now. Nice, well cooked. A bit of that mash. Delicious. Now you can see that the sausage is still quite moist. Lovely caramelized onion, and a beautiful chocolate stout gravy. Absolutely delicious. Look, I think this is one of the nicest dishes, earthy, winter warmer, beautiful flavors through there. Nice sauce. Goes so well with chocolate stout. You would never have thought it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, give this one a go. Double chocolate stout. Let me have a... Bloody delicious. I'll see you on my next video. You take care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you next time.